Hello there, my friends. Thank you for clicking on this video and watching this video. I'm Craigleidheiser, and I found a solution to a problem that I've had for a long time, and that is backing up your data. This is an old hard drive of mine that I had that I stored my music, my photos, and all my backups on. And I was moving my office, and it fell and cracked the hard drive, and I can't get any of this information back. I got 2 heli ski trips on here, a couple Myrtle Beach golf vacations. Got a bunch of pictures of my kids when they were younger and tons of music on here, and it's all gone. So this has been a constant problem for me for a long while. Now I use Google storage. And let me just flip over to this. Google storage, right now, if you want a 5 terabytes of storage, it's $24.99 a month. 2 terabytes is $9.99 a month. But I found a solution. A friend of mine sent this to me, and this is gotbackup. And gotbackup has this package right here. They have a family plan, $9.97. You can put 6 computers on it, but it gives you 6 terabytes of backup. So if you're a content marketer, or you're an HBA making content, or any kind of business, and you're making content, you want to have a place to store your videos and get back to them easily. So if you want to repost them or repurpose them, you'll have them. And then you can erase them for your hard drive. It takes up a lot of hard drive space, and if you can store it on the cloud, it's a beautiful thing. So this gives you $9.97 compared to 5 terabytes for $24.99 with Google. So to me, it's a good deal. But the cool thing is that it also has a marketing system, and you can earn a affiliate commission as well. I'm going to show you how to use the backup system, but I also want you to see the link in the description below. You just fill this out with your name and email address, and it reserves your spot in the power line. And the compensation plan is, I'm not going to go through that in this video because it takes so long. I just want to show you how you get your free tour and what's inside the product itself. That's the main thing. So the first thing you want to do is just get on here, reserve your position, take the tour. You see the marketing system. You can see how you can build a team. All this kind of stuff can be done just by doing this. And what's cool is this is all the countries. So this is a worldwide program. So a little bit about the company and what they do. I'm going to go why us over here on gotbackup. This is a company owned by GVO, Global Virtual Opportunities. They have other products. One of their main products is an autoresponder that they conveniently built into this marketing system, all for $9.97 a month. But they're out of Texas. And in this office, you can see take the data tour in there, but they have their own servers in climate-controlled spaces, and it's there for you to use for 6 terabytes. Okay, so I am going to. I want to log into my system. I'm logged into the back end of the my back office for gotbackup. You've got digital tools. This is the gotbackup, and they also have a lead capture system. But for me, I'm going to show you the gotbackup, what it actually does. It automatically syncs everything to this cloud, into this server, and I'm going to hit use this tool. I just got this within the last week. Oops, I don't know why it's running slow, but hang on. Okay, so I'm in the backup, or the back dashboard of using this tool. This is the section I just want to show you most about how the tool actually works. Then I'm going to go down here, I'm going to click in Edit Login or Auto Login. And like I said, I just started using this, but it's just so darn simple. I gotta share it. I'm sorry, I think it's running a little low because I got my screen recording on, but it's usually a little faster than that. Okay, it's running a little slow because I think I'm using the screen recorder. But anyway, this is a new dashboard. They just set this up today. You can set your weather you want, but you got your files here, and well, is taking long to load. Like I said, I just got started. I do a lot of sailing, so I just started a folder with some sailing photographs, and I'm going to be able to add all my videos on here and create folders for my YouTube videos, my TikToks, my Instagram, whatever. I can set folders up for that, all those photos. It's again running slow. It normally runs a lot faster when I'm not recording the screen. Yep. So I put some I've loaded some pictures up there, and you can go in and modify these or mess around with these. You can add them to an album. You can create albums. You can share and collaborate with people on this too. It's really interesting that you can do that. Share notes in here if you want to back it up. But the other cool thing that I really like is I can store all my music in here. So many times, like I said, with my backup, I've lost so much music. So I'm gonna get over and spend a weekend and get all my music over here, and that way I'll always have it stored on the cloud. So that's kind of how you use the back office of this. Again, it's only $9.97. You can either share it with additional users. It's got Mac OS. It's got simple installation guides, Windows and Linux. It's got all that. Real quick, show you how the lead capture. There's so much in there, and I don't want to make this video too long. But they've got a complete lead capture system that has really laid out well. You can, each time you click on one of these things, there's a training video that you can watch right here, and shows you how you can add your follow-up messages. It's got an autoresponder. Don't forget, GVO's main business kind of started with Joel, I don't know, 12, 15 years ago with an autoresponder that he had. I used it for quite a while, and then I switched to another program, and they were using Aweber at the time, but I use Aweber. I can use this, but this is a self-contained system, and it you can just use it like this. So if you're a brand new person, this is kind of a good business to get started, because A, it's very inexpensive startup costs, and B, it's kind of all contained in here, and you can learn through these training videos a little bit about email marketing, online marketing as a whole, and really kind of ignite this thing on fire. So anyway, this is it goes down here. You'll see the commission compensation plan here, commission overview, your payout history, your commissions, the downline. Oh, this is kind of a interesting thing too, that it has spillover, and I haven't signed anybody up yet, but just from spillover, this is where I've gotten. I got 1, 2, 3, and this guy split up into 2. So just brand new. This is my sponsor, blah blah blah, and yeah, it's a self-contained system, and it really goes good. So the first step you want to do is just go in here and reserve your spot. The cutoff again is on Wednesday when you have this. Watch this power line. Learn a little bit about how you can make some money on the side with this. And I'll do another video soon on the compensation plan and how it works. So anyway, if you've gotten any value out of this, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Love to get to know you and see how I can help you. I also promote another company. This is my home. It's the Home Business Academy. I'm also going to have a link in the description down there. This is another tool that every person that's marketing online needs to have. And I'll have a link in the description here, but this funnel builder can do so many things and can really take your business to the next level, including how you're going to run your gotbackup business. So anyway, that's it for now. Glad you stopped by, and we will talk to you in the next video. Thanks.